Dad cooks a healthy meal. When you're running around busy, this is a cliche, but it is so true. It's hard to cook healthy meals. I had a couple hours this afternoon. We were in town at an appointment. We were home. We're going to soccer later, and I decided to put together a really healthy meal. I have lamb meatloaf here. Lamb liver. Don't tell anyone.
Lamb liver? Yuck. I'm not eating.
Why do you think that's yucky?
Because it's lamb liver.
Will you at least try it? Will you agree at least to try it? Just at least try it. And that's the liver at the bottom. If you look at it, honestly, most of this is liver. And then I'm using some bread crusts. I've got some slices of bread here and some crusts of bread and some oatmeal to extend that out. I've got thyme, rosemary, oregano, pepper, salt. We'll put some garlic and onions in there before we cook that. And then my sister grew these, a bunch of beautiful Seminole squash, otherwise known as Seminole pumpkins. It's an ancient, can I say ancient, very old Native American variety of squash slash pumpkin. And I have peeled them and put them in these pans here. What we're gonna do next is grab some olive oil, and we're gonna drizzle this olive oil over the tops of all this squash. Salt, time for salt. Pepper, and a little bit of lavender. Why not? This food's not going to be ready before soccer, so we'll have to eat when we get back from soccer. So I'm just cleaning up a little bit. Bree's in town doing a little bit of shopping, some kids' clothes going into winter. She does, honestly, the majority of that kind of stuff, and it is a huge amount of work keeping all of these growing, active, rambunctious children in clothing. That actually does look like it's done, but we need to leave for soccer practice, so I'm gonna turn the oven off, leave it in the oven, and we can eat right when we get home.
I'll hold it.
One buckle up. B-L-I-C, public. You say the letters in this one.
School. Public school.
What's the last one? What does that word say? What does that word say? What is are the letters at least? You don't have to read the word.
U-L.
It starts with, oh, this one here.
Oh. B-L.
It's an I.
D-I-E-S-E-L.
Good job. We've been working on letters all day long. Joy's doing great on reading, but she's working on smaller words. So we've been having her name letters everywhere we go, and I think it's just ironic that we were working on letters on the side of a school bus today.
I told you I didn't like meatloaf with liver in it.
I'm curious how you would feel though if you didn't know that it had liver in it. Because you overheard me
It tastes like belly dog.
whispering that it tastes like billy goat. Brianna's home from her expedition, and she did really good.
Good old shopping trip.
Got some clothes and didn't spend a whole fortune.
Look at my dress.
Look at Joyful's dress. Yay!
Look at my shirt.
Look at your shirt. Yeah.
Look at my clothes.
Look at your pajamas.
My kid's like looking at
What
one
about
of them.
you?
She's not wearing any of her new things.
I'm not wearing any of my new things either.
I didn't buy you anything.
I didn't get any new things. What do you think about the meatloaf?
No, I did not like these.
Do you want me to be honest?
Uh-oh.
It's not my favorite.
That's what I think
What
about.
do you think about it, Grace?
They ate lamb last week and loved it.
That's true.
They've eaten them
Mama,
twice
eat
a month.
You cooked it last week. They loved it. I cooked it this week.
And they didn't. And they
The
love
reviews
meatloaf.
are mixed, to be generous.
There's a few kids that like it with an exorbitant amount of barbecue sauce on it.
I love it. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Ryan likes it.
I would like
You like
to
it, don't
with
you?
5 cups. Can I
Yummy.
have brown?
I'm initiating Joy into the glorious and glamorous world of sponge rollers. I grew up my whole life wearing these in my hair.
Boom.
You don't look funny. You look pretty.
I kind of look funny. Yeah.
Come here, my love.
Ready? 1, 2,
Come over
3.
here.
It's been another great day. Good night, everybody.
Good night. You
Put it
want
back
to
in.
put it back in?